Look at it, second gear. What? Wow. This is honestly fast. Whoa. Guys, I love this car. We are active in probably one of the baddest cars I've driven in a while. Like
Audi Rs4.
RS4 cuzzy, bro.
Avant.
I rang my brother straight away. I'm like, listen, you have a B7 RS4, and if I had an RS4, I'm supercharging it, 100%. For me, this is just perfection. I've said it a few times, the older I get, and the more E92 M3s I drive, and the more B7s I drive, I am a bigger fan of the B7. So look, we're gonna pull up to, my voice sounded a bit like I was gonna cry, doesn't it? We're gonna pull up. We need to put the side filter on, innit? Yeah, we're gonna pull up in a second.
The dog eyes in there.
What should we do, shell or?
Yeah.
Oh, fuck me. I'm gonna write the car off. Anyway, guys, let me show you what we're dealing with. So there you have it. So that is Magello Blue B7 RS4 Avant. Believe it or not, she's supercharged. Show them the old supercharger. I mean, honestly, off camera, I'm like, this is probably one of the baddest things I've driven, right? Cars, yeah. Look at that, man. TTS supercharged. I don't know how on earth that fits in the engine bay, but let me tell you, that transforms what an RS4 is. I love these cars even in factory form, but this is, I mean, it's a bit cheesy. It's how they should have been from factory, but no, honestly, it completely transforms this car, man. It's not like over-exaggerated like a turbocharged car. I've had a twin-turbo B7 RS4 before. It's a clean car. As I say, Magello Blue, you don't see them in this colour. Pretty OEM-ish, plus, you know what I mean, factory wheels, got the silver RS4 alloys, calipers, you know, they're huge. KW coilovers, and also, alongside the exclusive colour, look at the interior. Wingbacks finished in platinum white. Look at the carbon trims. We've got the 6-speed manual transmission, flat bottom steering wheel. We've got upgraded clutch as well. So yeah, man, this has been done correctly. We've got a Miltech downpipe, custom exhaust. Obviously 4.2 guys.
630 brake horsepower.
630 brake. Tuned by MRC as well, actually. Fuck me, bro. What do you mean the car rolling?
The car's the car's rolling.
I nearly wrote it off, mate. Listen, off camera, Jaden's a bit of a control freak, innit? So if you see the dynamic, we're trying to help him, innit? Man's doing a 5-year crash course in a week.
Hyperbolic training.
Hyperbolic, that's it, yeah. You know about dragons, yeah?
Come on, Dragon Ball.
Dragons. Anyway, let's get a bit more serious. This car, we've got KW V3s on it, so as you already know, from my M3 CS, we run the V3s. My M4 ran V3s, my M140 runs V3s. If you want to upgrade your suspension, highly recommended. You know, not the cheapest and probably not the most expensive, but you will transform the handling, the daily drivability. Obviously with the new cars, you're going to lose your adaptive function, but with something like this, have a listen. Bro, this is mega fast, like really fast. I was out in a B7 recently and
it was nothing compared to
I mean, cool car, bro.
Yeah.
Cool story, bro. Don't know why I just want to say that, innit?
Yeah, mate,
cool story,
just
bro.
Walking in the road, do you know what I mean? Just...
No, he's riding, mate.
Oh, is he?
Yeah, bro. What you got them glasses for? No reason in that. The rev matching on this is just another level. But yeah, the power, the torque, it feels more than an extra 200 horsepower. You press S now as well. Like, this is 4th kick. It's like, it's kicking in like a... Bro.
That's mad.
Effortless power. That's why I rang my mate. I'm like, listen, supercharger car, please. If I could do something right now, it'd be this. Yes. And I believe you can get these superchargers kit for around 10, maybe 15. I mean, big difference, isn't it?
15 bags?
Yeah.
Big dough that, but...
I mean, that might just be the kit. I don't know what installation is. Right. My guy's swagging, innit? Swagging in the beam.
Get the shoes swagging.
Look at it, second gear. What? Wow. This is honestly fast. Whoa. Guys, I love this car. I need to just chill because...
You fell in love with it, innit?
Bro,
literally.
I'm telling you, I fucking love this car, man.
Off camera as well, he was just like...
But it feels like... Of course they're fast cars, even from factory. 400 horsepower, 300 plus is fast, but no, this feels like, not teleportation, but it really does start to wind and zoom in, and it's more than just fast. It's like really, really fucking fast.
Sick.
And just knowing you got a manual transmission. Look, I can just flipping that throttle when I want.
Sick.
The throttle response is just crazy. You press the S button, it just transforms. Brakes are amazing. I'm sure they'll probably be factory. Look at that, man. Bro, I love this shit. Second. Bro,
You hear that?
listen, the gears, oi, so long.
Bro. How much RPM do you reckon it
That's like 8K, bro. It's like 8K plus.
That's mad.
I mean, look, third gear, this is torque that you never had before. And imagine it's probably just a stock engine. It's got upgraded clutch, but you know the claim is around 25 or 30 grand in mods. Oof, oof, oof.
Big bit of change, that's a nice.
Come on,
nice
Carrera around that.
Nice whipper.
Nah, listen, that's knowing you've got that kind of performance and you can rev match with the manual. Mad thing. Look at that cabin, bro.
Yeah, it looks sick.
10 out of 10, guys.
Carbon.
She is clean, man.
Wow. Just sounds sick as well. Platinum white, Audi exclusive.
This is the car. Like, I don't give.
The dog's
And we got
bollocks.
another car. What's the next video we get out in? Yeah, that's the car as well for that model. If you follow me on Insta, you would already see my stories. Clutch is super light. Steering is with the V3s. It almost brings a bit more weight to the steering.
G80.
Yeah. Come on.
Come on.
Brooklyn Grey.
Is that really what it's called?
Yeah.
Oh, nice colour that.
Come on. Yeah, when you do exhaust on an M3 decat downpipe, they do sound mega with a DCT.
Yeah.
But as I said earlier in the video, guys, I'm starting to like the B7s more. I am die-hard BMW, but
Growing on you.
yeah, man. I've always thought they were sick, but I mean, I'm starting to prefer them almost. The M3, it might be because I'm getting older, bro. I'm not on this. Okay, have a listen. Tunnel. Crazy. Crazy, my boy. Zimmy.
Heavenly sounds.
Heavenly. So
Like a punched exhaust.
I mean, it's got so much torque low down now and power that the traction is actually being triggered. So if you go too fast from, let's not say too fast. If you go like really aggressive from third to fourth or second to third, it's hitting the traction. So you need to actually deactivate it. I'm not going to bother, but I can feel it robbing a bit of power as I initially get back on the throttle.
So traction off,
You want it
getting
traction
extra
off.
power through gear change.
Just a tiny bit of, as I say, it just robs a little bit of power initially. It just almost dies on you. It's an older car, you know what I mean? The new cars, the traction controls are 10-10. You know how to smooth it in and blend it in.
How do you know that though? Do you feel it?
It just dies. It completely dies on the throttle. This is what's sick. It's like, it's so nice to just cruise.
Yeah.
You're on a Badman RS4 estate.
Yeah, mad.
Gunman whip. The gear lever is so smooth and light. It's not flimsy
Effortless,
like
innit,
that.
to
Yeah.
change.
I mean, look, it's just, you just rev match for fun.
So sick.
And look, you just tap the throttle, she glides off. I like this car a lot, man. I probably will just turn traction off anyway. So it's Friday then. I mean, we're at work, aren't we?
Yeah, of course we are.
Technically.
Technically.
I mean, we're going on like, we're not at fucking work, man.
Might not be the,
Might not be the saucy.
you know what I mean? But it still work.
Yeah. But I was just
quiet.
making the point that, bro, we film cars. I don't look at this as work for anybody.
Yeah.
I'm like, listen, we could be working on a construction site. Sweet. I'm not saying it in a disrespectful way. I used to work.
You're just saying it in
all
a
kinds
factual
of
way. No,
yeah,
I
but
hear
I've
it.
worked, bro.
Bro,
I've
worked
put in
as
mad
well.
work.
No, it's like,
If you ain't
well,
work.
Not compared to
No.
you.
I'm joking,
What?
man. This guy's going on like he's 40 and that. Yo, man, when I was
16.
when I was young and that.
When I was producing testosterone and that. Naturally.
Yeah, B7 RS4. What do I say? Legendary motor. If you are considering a B7 RS4, I know this is supercharged, it's a bit more tricked out, but I would highly recommend going ahead with your gut. I mean, let's give him another traction. Crazy, like,
wow.
Second gear is wild, and then you go into third and you're like, it really doesn't stop pulling. This is a motorway car, like, you're meant to smoke down motorways in this thing.
Wow.
And it inspires so much confidence. It's like, this section here now,
A bit bumpy in it normally.
it's usually terrible, like, but look at the wheel, no movement in the wheel. Soaks up all the bumps. We've got KW V3s on.
Sponges.
You can get more tricked out suspension, freeway dampers, and
You've put that on a lot of cars, you know that? The KW
yes,
V3s.
V3s, yeah, man.
On the M3 as well, right?
Yeah.
Sick.
In the M3, it's a bit more harsh, but then you've got like nitrons. I've had nitron suspension on my M4. So nitron suspension is what was on the Ferrari race car.
Oh, wow.
But there was probably a more racing version. You've got a more street version, but nitrons are known for racing cars. Now they're sort of delving into like the street cars, but even then, they're still a bit too extreme for the street, do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Whereas the V3 is a middle ground. You get really good handling capability from the car. It transforms your steering, your cornering grip, but also you can still surf the road nice. See how it was nice over the bumps?
Yeah.
Usually it's one or the other. You get a stiff ride, shit ride quality with good handling, or it's the other way around.
Yeah.
So V3s, they just do the best of both somehow.
So it's like the most balanced.
Yes. And like anything, when you get the balance of two, there is going to be a compromise. Do you know what I mean? Like, as in your handling probably isn't going to be as good as it could have been by doing a full out, you know?
Yeah. Fair enough, yeah. That makes sense.
Zimmy.
Yeah, I get you.
And I did that with my M4, my G82, remember the grey?
Yeah.
M4.
Yeah.
That one there, I thought, this, we're going nitrons, we're doing the thing.
Yeah.
My guy was like, nah, man, it'll be fine, we'll dial it in, it'll be fine for the streets. Bro, jumped in it. Obviously had all the arms upgraded as well, full kinetics, done by Suspension Secrets, but it was horrible, bro.
Swear down.
Yeah, it was just too stiff.
Sorry, that's with the nitrons.
That was with the nitrons, and that was like a street version as well. It wasn't even a full on. But you know the history of nitron, they don't play, bro. They're about handling, no bullshit. Anyway, we are waffling, mate. It's getting a bit too passionate. What are we saying? End it there? Video? Oh, what's that, Dad? I'm just checking my alarm for my driving lesson.
What's that? You see that meme? You don't see it? You don't see it? Oh, bro.
Anyway, guys, this car is on the website, llfgames.com. This is actually a £20 competition, so we've made the odds better. You know, if there's any comp that you're going to have better odds of winning, it will be this.
Tickets are flying as well.
Tickets are flying, mate.
Flying.
Birds flying high, you know how I feel.
Fly high.
Oh, fuck me, don't want to grab the wheels.
Don't pull up.
Should give him an exhaust rev quick.
Don't pull a bloody MSB. You know what I mean?
Hi, MSB, my son's drawing you out, my boy.
Sorry, bro. Ah, just got stung.
Anyway, YouTube, we are out, mate. All I'm going to say is, thumbs up, subscribe to the thing, and we'll be back real soon. Taters.